I'm doing it. I'm swallowing it. I'm doing it.
I can't.
What are we doing?
We're going to eat Disney dog and cat treats
Why would we do that?
for the people's entertainment. They're quarantined, they're freaking bored. I'm actually genuinely interested with what these are gonna taste like. I'll tell you what it tastes like, what I'm giving my dogs. They'll take anything though.
They will. They'll eat shit.
They do, and they do every day. So they're not a real good judge. You know, when people go on dog treat and food reviews, and my dogs love it.
I love everything.
So, yeah, so we ordered online, of course, because we are in the shelter at home. But we are also registered nurses at local hospitals here in San Diego. And so after we try our dog treats, cat too. I don't want to leave the cat people
We
out.
have a dog and a cat treat?
Yeah, yeah. So
Yay.
then we're just we'll discuss it a little bit. All right, are you ready? I want to get this in place. This is the spit bag.
Is that a spit bag?
I don't really want to put
Barf
it
bag?
down into my system.
You have to.
No, this is taste. This is purely like what my mouth.
You have to swallow it.
No.
If you're gonna make me sit here and eat dog and cat food.
Z.
Here we go, guys. Team treats. Are we really gonna do this?
I do
Cat
that.
eats treats, chicken flavored tartar control. These are cat dental treats. So actually,
So they're gonna be hard.
cleans teeth and tartar buildup. All
It's
right.
gonna be crunchy. I don't know if I prefer my treat to be crunchy or soft.
Neither? Here we go.
So what does it smell like? Does it smell like chicken?
It smells like dog food. It
It
smells.
doesn't really smell like chicken.
Shit.
The fish too? Okay.
There we go.
Here's your bag. Wait! Ah!
Another one. Put another one. Put another one.
Ah! No!
Yeah. you
No!
got-
No!
I think the more you do, the better it is.
What logic is that? This is being terrible. Spit it out. Don't put it in your body.
I'm doing it. I'm swallowing it. I'm doing it.
I can't.
Oh, we feed this to our animals,
It tastes like.
and they're so excited about
It
this
doesn't
shit.
taste like anything but gross. It's so like mealy. You know what I mean?
Oh, it's very mealy.
What would a cat like about that? Wait, is there any like?
It's salty. There's a little bit of a salty
There's a little
flavor.
salt.
So-
There's really chicken in there, but it doesn't taste like. Oh God. Sorry, kitty cat. You
Hey.
want the bag back?
We-
All right, now,
We got it. Why are we gonna?
dude,
we're gonna do it again.
what is up with that? They look like soap. It looks like soap.
Are they gluten free? They are.
Does it
They're
say?
gluten free.
And all natural. I'm scared and I don't want to do it.
Oh, look at this, dude.
Oh, what's the? Wait, hold on. What's the designs on
I
here?
got little designs on.
What do you got on there?
I got
Pluto?
good. I got Pluto.
Yeah, I got Pluto too. Let's see what the other design is. That mini is pretty cute.
Oh, mini.
If you have a small dog, that's a
hefty
wacky
snack.
wafer.
I'm a little scared now.
It's like,
It smells like plastic.
yeah.
Or just, it smells like some product that you're not supposed to be.
How many? Okay. Hold on. Let me get my bag in place.
3,
2, 1.
1.
Oh my God. Wait. Huh? I can't even.
Oh, yeah, you can't eat it. It's like,
Wait, what? That hurts my teeth.
yeah, you can't eat that. That's like a rubber. That's like a bone.
No, really,
That's
really.
like a
Try
bone.
as hard as you can. Okay, look. Oh, oops.
Well,
I'm eating a bone. Yeah. It doesn't taste good.
do you think the dogs would like it?
It's like hard wax.
Yeah.
You didn't even try it.
I tried to get into
No,
it.
you can get a little piece. You gotta describe this flavor for me.
I can't even take a
No,
swallow.
because you kind of like really have to chip it
Okay,
off.
all right.
Okay.
I'm gonna a little piece off.
I can't do it again. What do you think?
Smart move on the bag. Let's give it to our dogs and let's see if they love it.
Okay.
Enter, dogs.
Please. All right, this is Steve. Enter Steve. Steve.
You want it? Oh, do you like it?
Oh, it's big. Oh, he's gonna have like a
Don't choke on it.
intestinal blockage. It's too big. It's too big.
He's
Blue,
little.
I think, could, being the big black lab. Steve
okay.
does seem nasally stimulated by the smell.
You like that? Yeah.
Wait, which one does he want more? Equal distance.
Which one do you want?
I'm gonna kind of resist.
Ew, he's licking it.
Can you smell him? Oh. He's up for whatever.
He's up for whatever.
He can get.
He's down for
Okay,
whatever.
Steve approves.
She knows not to get up on this table. She's a smart girl. Oh, yeah. Is that good?
Ah! Oh,
You didn't see
she
this,
snatched that.
Oh, she's out. Look at her.
They love it.
Oh,
They want more.
she want more.
All right, team treats,
team
everybody.
treats. The dogs love it.
The dogs vote yes. Oh, and well, we don't have a cat. We're just assuming cats are gonna like it. Hey, do you want to try a cat treat? It's supposed to be chicken flavored. This is our dude who used to eat the dog kibble. When he was little. You can spit it out. I have a bag. You guys doesn't need to spit it out. Is it because you're...
Does it bring back childhood memories?
Yes. It tastes like dog food.
All right, there you have it. A human who also approves
I'm a
for
dog.
the Disney dog and cat. Well, the cat
Or
treats
cat.
at least. Let's talk serious for just a second. Ryan and I are both RNs at local San Diego hospitals. I'm at more of a community level hospital, and he's at more of like a regional trauma center. Surprisingly, we at the community hospital have more COVID-19 patients than you, though.
You do.
Yeah, and I don't know why that is.
I don't think you guys wash your hands as well as we do.
No, that's not it. Where do you work?
I work in the OR, and we haven't had any COVID positive patients yet. But by the way things are trending, it seems like it's eventual that it will happen.
That's what they're warning us. And it's coming. The peak is coming, I think, in the next week or two. So they're just doing all these crazy preparations to just allow for patients to be overflowed anywhere they can be. Like your ORs could be turned into ICUs, is what they're talking about right now.
We have ventilators in
Surgery.
each OR,
Yeah.
which means we would turn those into ICUs.
Yeah, and how has it changed on your department in the past couple of weeks?
People are scared. People want PPE, the personal protective equipment.
Yeah.
And we're in short supply in the hospitals.
But they did just yesterday update us. We work for the same healthcare system. They did just come out yesterday in an email saying that they are now enforcing that all care providers in the hospital caring for patients or in patient care areas must wear masks. They just enforced that yesterday on March 27th. So new things are changing every day. And also, as far as your patient census has gone down like tremendously.
Oh yeah,
Because,
just urgent, emergent, and traumas.
yeah, no electives.
As far as surgeries, no elective stuff, so.
Yeah. I'm in labor and delivery department, so we are a little more shielded from the outside world. They were just telling us at work yesterday that expect the pregnant COVID-19 positive patients. They are coming. So we are setting up our OR on our department, which we usually do for C-sections, in preparation to have positive COVID-19 patients in there delivering their babies. And your hospital has actually already delivered positive COVID-19 patients, and supposedly they're okay. So at his hospital, where they've already had patients like that, the mother who is positive for the coronavirus can still have the baby in her room, but the baby has to be in the crib, 6 feet away, and then while she is feeding or breastfeeding, which she can do as of this time, she just wears a mask. So we're really curious what you guys are doing to stay safe and how it has affected your lives. Have you lost your job? Are you one of the essential workers that still has to go to work, like being exposed like us in these scary times? So, let us know in the comments how you're doing.
The big point is just stay home.
Yeah, stay
Distance
home.
yourself.
Join us every Monday for new videos. We love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Walt's Jenny Bone.
Bye.
Bye.
Flavor. Feel the flavor. Love the flavor. Enjoy the flavor.